Alright, so it's about cat feeding time here in my mom's room. She feeds them in her bathroom, and they always eat at the same bowls every single night, without fail. We don't even put them at the bowls, they run there themselves. And we figured we'd go ahead and record it to share with you guys. Alright, so Mom, where are they going to be eating at?
Well, we have the 3 gray kittens, the youngest ones, so they all eat up on the bench here. And you will have them lined up. The littlest one, Dustin, will eat over in this corner, and the 2 other brothers, which is Duncan and Connor, will be eating over here. And usually they line up in that position. Then down here, if you can see the black cat, his name's JJ. He will be running in. He's their uncle. He will eat right here, along with his 2 younger siblings, which are about half-grown kittens, which is Max and Grace. Then the 2 mother cats are very patient. They wait till everybody runs out, so then I feed them the bowls right outside the bathroom. I do it this way because there's no way to dish out their food with them underfoot.
Alright, well, here we go. It's about time to feed them, so come on guys, let's go.
Come on guys. Come on, Jay. No. Come on guys. Alright. Told you it's impossible if they know it's feeding time.
And Molly goes in there.
Right. There we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, I missed one.
You did?
Yeah. My little man. So he'll probably be in here eating.
Why don't you just toss him out real quick? I want to record them all running in.
Huh?
I want to record them all running to their spot if you can. I'll hold them back. There we go. Come on, Dustin. You little thing. Yeah, he's little. The littlest one here.
You want me to let you know when I get ready to?
Yeah. Dustin. Come on, Dustin. Trying to open the door. Can't figure out how to work that doorknob yet. Maybe soon.
Alright, I'm getting ready to step back.
Okay.
You ready to record?
Yep.
There you go.
Go. Alright, so who do we have?
Come on. So you got JJ, Max, and Grace. Then you got Duncan, Connor, and Dustin, and the 2 mother cats, which is Didi and Molly, out here eating.
Yep. See, right there. That is just crazy how they do that every single time.